Is Modesens legit or a scam review? Sites pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're considering shopping on Modesens.com, you might wonder about its legitimacy, but most people get this wrong by confusing it with a discount-only platform. The surprising truth is that Modesens is a legitimate luxury fashion aggregator, connecting you to multiple retailers while providing price comparisons and exclusive deals. Products range from for accessories or smaller items to for designer apparel, shoes and bags. Pricing depends on the brand, item rarity, and seasonal promotions. Modesens often provides alerts for sales or discounts, helping shoppers make informed choices. What you get: access to luxury and designer fashion at competitive prices, price tracking, retailer verification, and occasional promo codes. What you give up: shipping times vary by retailer. Some high-demand items may sell out quickly, and returns must follow the retailer's policy. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Use the price comparison feature to ensure you're getting the best deal. Step 2. Check retailer reputation and reviews before purchasing. Step 3. Sign up for alerts to catch discounts or limited promotions. Step 4. Confirm shipping and return policies to avoid surprises. You won't believe what happens next if you assume every deal is the lowest. The platform shows multiple sellers, so prices vary. The surprising truth is that Modesens is fully legit and provides tools to make luxury shopping smarter. In conclusion, Modesens.com is a trustworthy fashion aggregator that offers competitive, pricey and verified retailers. By comparing prices, monitoring promotions, and understanding policies, you can confidently shop for luxury items and get excellent value for your money.